Here this morning we're here to clean this dryer vent and to replace this wall vent cap. But as you can see, look at this. That is why you should not have a screen on the end of your dryer vent, because all it does is clog, and this in turn makes the rest of the dryer vent extremely dirty. I'll show you the before and after pictures later. This is how dirty this vent is. I haven't done anything yet, but there's just so much lint in there. And if you have pets, even more reason to get your dryer vent cleaned annually.